I used to waking up every day singing folk songs for myself. Life is a struggle, life is meaningless. But those were in the past. Now I'm living every day of my life. As a voluntary nomad, I have traveled all over the world. I have discovered the meaning of life, enjoying the marvels of nature. Life is never about routine or going through the same cycle of stress. Life is about feeling your skin, your heartbeat, your soul, your convergence with nature. Nature is our biggest playground. Nature is our most diverse playground, giving us an unlimited life experiences.